Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen. We're here to cook an honorable mention recipe submitted to our contest at bellasanluci.com, submitted by Chef Lidia Haddadian. It's a wonderful, crispy, golden brown, Cajun flavored beignet. We're gonna mix together our dry ingredients first, the flour, baking powder, and Cajun seasoning. Mix that up, put in the wet ingredients, including the crab and sun-dried tomatoes. There's Worcestershire, lemon, garlic, the wonderful aromas and flavors of the Cajun cuisine. That's gonna be our batter. Next, we're gonna make our remoulade with sour cream and mayonnaise, which is very unique and richer, and those other Cajun flavoring ingredients. We're gonna do all that. We're gonna get them fried. These are turning out beautifully. Here we go with a few more. They're turning out beautifully crispy and golden brown. The aroma is fabulous, and it smells like a Cajun kitchen in here. Looks like it's gonna serve a wonderful amount of people and make them really happy. And this is the definition of golden brown. Chef Lidia Haddadian has come up with a real winner, super original. Never seen anything like it. Crispy, sun-dried tomato infused beignets with crab. Very Cajun, very New Orleans. Please try this at home and then send in your recipes because there's about a month left for the contest. The deadline is July 1st. Get your recipes into bellasanluci.com. Keep cooking and eating with family and with love. Arrivederci.